Holi, guys! A very happy Holi to each and every one of you. For all of you who don't know what Holi is, it is one of the most celebrated festivals in India and now across the world. It's actually the celebration of arrival of spring, and on this day, people unite together, forgetting all resentments and bad feelings towards each other. And it's also called the Festival of Colors, where people gather in huge crowds and they throw colors at each other, and it's a perfect excuse to get extremely messy. I love this festival. So it's actually a day worth rejoicing, and yes, I miss India. It's one of my favorite festivals, and I'm very sure it's hugely celebrated in Canada as well. But with the COVID restrictions, there aren't any events happening in the city. But I still wanted to be in that holy spirit and celebrate it. I'm thinking to get some colors and at least put it on Saranj. And you must be wondering why colors. So it's the vibrancy of all the colors that brings so much positivity in our lives. And we all need positivity. There's so much going on already in this world. So today I will be going out and get some colors. I don't even know where I'll get it from or even if I'll get it. So Gerrard Street East is full of like Indian stores, Indian delicacies, and I might also get some samosas or Indian sweets if I get some. And also, to top it all, I don't have to cook anything at all today because this video isn't sponsored with HelloFresh. And if you guys know about HelloFresh, it's a meal kit delivery service here in Canada. And it's so convenient. They literally deliver all the fresh ingredients to your door, and all the recipes are so easy to cook, especially for people like me who just wants cooking to be like really easy. So a big thank you to HelloFresh for making my day extra special today. And today I will be making one of their veggie burgers. It's called barbecue ranch burger, and oh my god, this looks so tempting. I'm so excited to make this for my lunch today. But before that, let's head to Gerrard Street and let's see what we find. So I just found a supermarket. Let's see if they have colors. I'm not even sure, but it looks like a huge supermarket. I'm sure they should have something. Do you have holy colors?
There, behind the beans.
How much is this one packet for?
199.
$1.99? Okay. You literally get everything here. I just got one pack of color. It's not as bright, but at least I got something, so it's all good. And also I'm going to get my favorite, fruity. There are so many Indian stores, South Indian restaurants, Hakka Chinese. I think this place deserves a separate video. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you want to see a separate video of Little India. And now I'm just finding a place from where I can pick something to eat. Maybe, I don't know, some sweets or a samosa. Let's see if I find something. Found some bright ones here. Let's take this one. This place has desi burger. Would love to try that someday with Saranj. I'll come here. Okay, so I found one place called Moti Mahal. This is a restaurant. I'm not sure if they have sweets. Let's go inside and find out. Oh, they do. This is the kachori. What filling does it have?
Dal, lentil.
Okay. And samosa will have aloo, like potatoes. I'll get 3 samosas and 3 pieces of gulab jamun.
Sure. 3 gulab jamun डाल
Thank you. So I finally got some colors, got samosas, got gulab jamun, and now I'm just going home. But just while going home, I just got super emotional because I'm missing my family today. Yeah, especially on a festival, right? It's I miss them. But anyway, it's a happy day, so no crying. And now let's get back home and make some lunch. And now it's lunchtime and let's start preparing our HelloFresh. So this box literally has everything, all the ingredients that you need. It was so difficult to choose from because they have like 20 plus new recipes every week. And I got 3 things for myself. So there's barbecue ranch burger that I'm going to make for lunch today. And also I have chicken schnitzel and also fajita style chicken bowl. So I'm really excited to make this. And literally this has everything. All the ingredients are in this. Barbecue ranch burger is ready and I'm so excited to try this. This is so good. Wow, it definitely tastes like as if I've ordered from outside. It's so good. And also the most interesting part about this is Beyond Meat. So it's actually a veggie burger which tastes like meat. Guys, you have to try this out. I'm not saying for the sake of it. You have to try out HelloFresh. It's so delicious. And if you want to try out HelloFresh, don't forget to use my code, which is... And using this code, you will get $80 off on your first order. And also, this includes free shipping as well. So you have to try it out. And if you do, make sure to tag me in your Instagram post. Would love to see what you make. And you won't be disappointed. I promise. Saransh, all free from work?
Finally
all ready
free.
to play Holi?
Yep. This is my old t-shirt.
Get ready.
I don't want to play Holi wearing a winter jacket.
I know. It's 6 degrees. You don't really have to wear a winter jacket.
I will.
And guys, I'm also thinking to meet one of my friends. He's the only one we meet and he's alone and I'm sure he's missing his family too. So I thought I'll surprise him and we'll put color on him as well. I just called him and told him I'll meet you for an evening walk. And he has no clue we have colors and we'll surprise him.
Yes. All set?
All set? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm going to take the color in my hand because once he's here, I won't be able to take the packet out. Let's just put some. Ooh, so bright. Oh, this is a lot of it. Oh shit.
Hey guys, welcome to Peekapoo's vlog once again.
Now Pat Snap.
And Pat Snap.
Happy Holi!
I didn't know.
Whoa! Happy Holi, Gigi! That was the surprise.
थोड़ा सा यार पूरा लगाएंगे लोग.
नहीं लगा.
नहीं, we'll go. तभी तो we are near your house only. We'll go and clean it up. Yeah.
You were not expecting this at all. I was holding
She was holding the
hand
colors
on
since
mine.
then.
Just apply very little, okay?
Oh yeah.
I also applied very little on you.
Happy Holi Pooja.
This is like a very sophisticated sort of Holi we are playing.
We don't want to get too dirty. Nobody's playing Holi here. They'll see us and they'll be like, what's happening?
They might just think we're protesting for something. Happy Holi, bro.
Happy Holi, Saransh.
Thank you. Happy Holi, guys.
Little, okay.
Happy Holi.
Saransh, this is a lot, yeah. Happy Holi! And now let's go home, have some samosas.
We have some Indian sweets.
That's the least we can do just to celebrate it, man.
First time celebrating Holi in downtown in the last 4 years.
Now let's go home. Everyone will see us walking in downtown. Gigi is making special tea for us, and we are going to have samosas along with that.
Special Gigi's chai.
Alright, so we are going to enjoy the samosas with tea.
Chai pe charcha.
And that was a small Holi vlog for you guys. We didn't really do anything because of the restrictions, but this was a little something that we could do here. But a very happy Holi once again. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.